Cosori CP158 Air Fryer Review. Follow the link in the description to read the full article. Cosori CP158 Air Fryer is a perfect gift for all the foodies in your life. Fry everything with 85% less fat. 11 presets including steak, desserts, vegetables, and more. You will have to surprised by its astounding features. Rapid heat circulation helps you to save time with a faster cooking. Detachable square basket instead of round basket. So, easy to clean and cook, a perfect size for every fry. To ensure the safety, auto shut-off function is available. It is fingerprint resistant. It has ergonomic design. Easy to use, just select it a touch. It is perfectly portioned, so you can easily estimate the recipe. Without sacrificing capacity, its unique square size saves your counter space. Want to read the full review? Follow the link in the description. Thanks for watching. FamilyNeed.com. Your need, our deed.